Shalom, friends. Shalom. Rabbi Elliot Schoenberg here with Touchin, New Jersey. Today, we are back with Coffee, Kugel, and Commandments. Hope you're enjoying your coffee. Coffee, Kugel, and Commandments is our window to look at Judaism and learn more about the values of Judaism through coffee. Let's take a moment and learn about coffee and trees, because we're 2 days after the holiday of Tu B'Shvat. Holiday of trees. So what do we know about trees and coffee? Coffee is grown one of two ways. There's shade-grown coffee and sun-grown coffee. Traditionally, small farms have coffee trees, 6 to 8 feet tall, and over them, there's a tree canopy, trees that are 20 or 30 feet high. Those taller trees regulate how much sun comes down on the smaller coffee tree, and therefore bean grows more slowly and therefore will be sweeter. But the tree canopy fertilizes. The leaves fall down and it fertilizes the ground and fertilizes the coffee tree. So shade-grown coffee has a minimum of pesticide. On the other hand, the majority of coffee around the world is grown on huge plantations, no tree canopy, and therefore they use a huge amount of pesticides. So what do we learn during this post-Tu B'Shvat era, here 2 days after Tu B'Shvat, where we're all about planting trees and growing trees? We learned that the world is chopping down trees, deforesting forests. Why? Because once the trees have used up the nutrients in the ground, they can't be put back in. And so in the Amazon, for example, they just go further into the Amazon and chop down more trees disappear, and there's less opportunity to withdraw the carbon from our atmosphere. So what's the value here? We learn that there's shade-grown coffee, which is sweeter and uses less pesticides, and sun-grown coffee, which uses a huge amount of pesticides. Let me conclude by sharing with you one midrash from Pirkei de Rebbe Eliezer. It says, when a tree is cut down, a scream is heard from one end of the earth to the other, but it's not audible. My friends, the holiday of Tu B'Shvat comes to teach us it's time to plant more trees and take care of our trees so they will be around for the next generation. Dear friends, take your cup of coffee, say the bracha, Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, shakol niyeh bidvaro. Have a Java day. Thanks for joining us.